It's that time of year again to brave those scary attics and get all those Christmas decorations out where we can start making our houses look all festive. I'm going to mainly be decorating today, not doing a whole bunch of cleaning, but as I scan around my house here, you can see that there is a mess here and there that I'll be dealing with as we go. The first place I wanted to get started was my living room. I wanted to get everything picked up in here so I could go ahead and put out my new couch cushions and then lay out all my decorations. But before I got really into my cleaning, I started sorting through my laundry and started a load, and then I never got back to it. Laundry is the bane of my existence. Oh my God, I know y'all feel me, other mamas out there. It is just never ending. So I had these brown cushions forever on this couch since I got it, and then I found these ones at Bed Bath & Beyond, these red check ones and the gray ones, and I just thought that they were really pretty and that they would match my house with the theme. I already have it, and it would go for Christmas as well. So I went ahead and picked those up, and then I picked up some throws and some Christmas pillows from a couple of other places too. Look, that's like a fancy pant hanger right there. See that? If you want to know where I got any of my decor, especially the new decor that I am pulling out, I have videos for both of my hauls for this year and for last year, and I will link both of those videos for you. And I want to thank every single one of y'all for all of your wonderful support on this channel. Every single view and every single like I get, it really helps out my channel. So if you enjoy watching these kind of videos, then please give me a thumbs up. And look at all of this cute stuff that I am pulling out from years past, and that stack of stockings. And I swear I don't have enough stockings because I like to do them on theme every year, and I just need more. Once I got all of my old decor laid out, then I got my new stuff and put it in a separate pile, and then I started taking down all of my fall decorations that I had and put them into my fall boxes.
Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and
when you're taking down all of your decor, be organized. It'll help you out so much when you come to do all of your decorations the next year. Everything will be right where it should be, and you won't be confused on where you put things, and nothing will get broken because you packed it away properly. So just take the time to do it, even though it's a pain in the butt sometimes. After my entertainment center is all dusted off, then I start placing decorations to see what I like, and I try to start messing with this thing first, and then I decide that it is way too tall to sit in front of the TV, so I wanted to put it somewhere else. And I really didn't think that this looked complete, so you'll see later on that I add in a few things here and there into my final decorations.
until the sun comes up, these are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, oh. Christmas memories.
So this year I really wanted to set up a hot cocoa bar, and I thought this little area right here would be perfect for it, and it turned out so cute. I absolutely loved all the little things that came together. The only thing is now my kids have found the peppermints. They know that they're there, so I might have to move those or put them in a covered container. But so far, I am loving this.
Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, yeah. I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be?
In years past, I have not put out my village. I've been way too scared that my kids would mess it up. And I have collected all these pieces through the years from thrift shops. I have never paid full price for any of these little houses. You just gotta love secondhand stuff. So this year I really wanted to try to put this in my dining room. I have these high shelves and I really thought that they would be safe here, and so far they are.
And I need you around, darling. So come.
I really didn't get a whole bunch of footage of me doing this. I just got really frustrated with what angle that the camera was at, and you're just basically looking at the back of my head. I just couldn't get y'all in there to look really good. So I just turn the camera off, finish it off, and then I do a final scan for y'all at the end. So I only bought 2 packs of the LED lights from Hobby Lobby, and then I bought 2 packs from Dollar Tree, and the 2 packs I bought from Dollar Tree ended up being red and yellow.
Oh, it's Christmas time. Let us all come together. Let your love keep shining and for always be remembered. Yeah, 'cause it's Christmas time and I want you by my side, darling. So come home, please come home. You keep me up all night. I try to figure
If you're wondering what my husband is doing in the background during all of this, he is actually changing his fish tank water. It is a saltwater tank, so you have to mix the salt into the water you're putting into the tank first instead of just dumping it in there. So that's what he was doing. And then he went to go clean the kitchen, and that's why I didn't get any footage of that, because y'all are watching me do this village.
it's Christmas time. Oh, it's Christmas. Oh, you keep me up all night. I try to figure this out. Why you left something for me? Yeah, under the Christmas tree. Baby, go home tonight. Oh, let me hold you real tight, 'cause it's Christmas time.
So this is the final look of my living room and my kitchen. I think it turned out so cute and just simple. I don't go overboard with Christmas, just little props here and there, and it makes my family so excited. When my son came home from my mother's house the next day, he was so excited that we had to put up the Christmas tree right away.
Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand, you and me. Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart.
Christmas tree.
Stand in front of it and I'll take a picture.
Yeah. I'd like to take a picture.
how could you not cave into those two little cuties? So we started decorating the Christmas tree. It was a long process, so I cut out most of the screaming and crying, but it was actually really fun. I'm so glad that I made this memory with my boys. It was just so sweet to see them passing ornaments back to each other and trying to hang ornaments on the tree. I hung most of them, and if you are a person that really likes your tree to look uniform and everything be spaced out perfectly, this is definitely not the tree for you. This is a tree specifically for my kids, just to put things how they want, because my main tree, I like it to be pretty and I like it to be as close to perfect as I can get it. So this tree is just our little fun tree. And last year I actually put this tree in our playroom, but now the playroom is Wyatt's bedroom, so I just didn't think that would be safe. So every single day Harrison comes in here and he just sits in my office chair and he just looks at the Christmas tree. He has had nightmares that people have stolen the Christmas tree away, and I've had to like wake him up because he's talking in his sleep about someone stealing his Christmas tree. And so he'll wake up every morning and ask me, is the Christmas tree okay? And go and check on it. It's so cute. So usually I do not decorate my bedroom, but this year I really wanted to put out some things in there that I didn't want broken. I love my nutcrackers, and I didn't want my little rambunctious boy to break them. So I just added a few things into my bedroom, and then I added some things onto the Christmas tree later on that night after the kids went to bed.
Get all the Christmas songs that we love. And in a while we're gonna go inside and drink our chocolate by the fire. 'Cause all I want is to spend this day with you. Let me give you a Christmas, a moment we'll fill with love and joy. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. I don't need any presents, as long as I spend this day with you. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. Ooh. I'm making plans of what we're gonna do. I feel so blessed that I can be with you. 'Cause God knows that I've been longing for you. I just wanna hold you close.
So yesterday while my mom had the kids, I did all of that other decorating that you saw. So my husband, he cleaned the kitchen, and I didn't get that because y'all were watching me do things in there. So I'm going to put away the dishes and stuff like that. But I'm going to decorate this little area right here, but I don't think I'm going to decorate anywhere else in my kitchen.
Let me give you a Christmas, a moment we'll fill with love and joy. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. I don't need any presents, as long as I spend this day with you. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you.
So both of the areas I do right here, I end up changing up actually because I don't really like what I put there. So you'll see it's a little bit different in the final product. And right here, I really didn't like that mitten hanging in front of that outlet. It just made me a little nervous, so I just switched them out. I don't think it would actually do anything, but I don't know, it just didn't sit right with me.
Let me give you a Christmas, a moment we'll fill with love and joy. Loving so beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. I don't need any presents, as long as
So since I didn't have very many dishes to show y'all me washing, I decided to show y'all how I wash my cups out really good. I have this like little brush thing that we got in a set of I think like 5 from Kroger, I want to say, but I'm sure they sell them anywhere. And I just scrub really good in all the nicks and crannies with that thing, and then make sure I scrub the actual cup really good, and then check it, because sometimes even when you wash it, you still leave like some kind of smear or something at the bottom. So you have to make sure you do it really well, get all of that stuff out of those little baby bottles, because these things get mold in them so easily. I have thrown away so many cups because I'm just like, I don't ever trust that for my kid ever again. So make sure you just clean these things really, really well or it will not get your kids sick. And then after that, I just scrubbed down my sink really well. I had washed off my pepperminty kid earlier because he got into that hot cocoa bar and his muddy feet from being outside had made the sink a little dirty.
Round and around, I'm falling just like the snowflakes, falling for you.
Oh, we need an updated Santa picture.
Hadn't counted on love for Christmas. This caught me right off guard, but I ain't complaining. It's a wonderful.
I added in all of my empty gift boxes underneath my Christmas tree, and I think it just made it look a whole lot more happy. And like I said, with this Christmas tree, there is no rhyme or reason to it. There's no theme. I saved that from my main Christmas tree, so this one is just kind of, it's just here to make us happy. And speaking of making me happy, these little gnomes in my room make me so happy. When I wake up every morning and see their little knot faces, I don't know, it just makes me so happy.
And if I were to make a wish upon a star, would it be too much to ask?
So I hope that y'all were decorating along with me today, getting in that Christmas spirit and making your houses look all happy and festive. And also, let's just take a note from this guy. Look at him just chilling. So I hope y'all enjoy your weekends, and I'll see you in the next one, guys. Bye.
Round and round.